Hi everyone, my name's Nicola Fitzpatrick. I work for an organisation called Llamau, which it has two arms really. It has youth homelessness provision and overseas services for adults and children affected by domestic abuse. So my current role is as the head of service for the domestic abuse services, but prior to that I worked within all of our youth homelessness provision. So I got into this role by accident when I was actually planning on joining the police force, and as part of a course I was doing I had to do volunteering work and started working with young people that were going through court for youth offending, and realised that my absolute passion in life really lies with supporting people to live safely in safe accommodation and prevent them from having to come into contact with statutory services. So my career veered off in that direction instead, and where I've been ever since in the voluntary sector. So I look forward to seeing you all and answering any questions that you've got, and look forward to your comments. Thanks, bye.